Hola chicos, muy buenos días. ¿Qué tal estáis? Espero que todos vaya bien. Today we will practice the pronunciation of the last few vocab words that you need to learn before the end of the school year, which is coming up very quickly. Congratulations, enhorabuena chicos, por el buen trabajo que habéis hecho. We will start with vocabulario describing places in town. Chicos, conmigo por favor. El café. El café. El centro. El centro. El cine. El cine. El parque. El parque. El restaurante. El restaurante. El teatro. El teatro. Generally, when we use these words, we are saying where we're going many times, and you have to make a contraction. A plus L. You say, vamos al café. Van al parque. So you have to make a contraction there. If it's a feminine place, it's a la. Okay? Bueno, eventos por la ciudad. Clase, el concierto. El concierto. Las entradas. Las entradas. Compras entradas para ir a un concierto. Por ejemplo, la música rock. La música rock. La película. La película. A lot of times, Spanish speakers say, vamos a ver una peli. They shorten it from película to una peli. La ventanilla. La ventanilla. Earlier we learned the word ventana, window. Ventanilla, smaller. Ticket window, it's also the word they use for a window on an airplane. Bueno, getting around town, clase, a pie. A pie. We might say, vamos a pie. Yo voy a pie. I'm going by foot. La calle. La calle. En autobús. En autobús. Vais en autobús a la escuela, ¿verdad? En coche. En coche. Vamos al concierto en coche. Por ejemplo, vamos al concierto en coche. Encontrar. Encontrar. To find something that you're looking for. You've misplaced it, or you're looking for a particular street. That's how we use the verb encontrar. And it is a stem changer, and you will have a podcast on that later on. Okay. Y finalmente, clase, tomar. Tomar. A good resource is right here. It's the interactive flashcards on Class Zones, the home tutor page. Just go there, practice. It also has a speaker on there. You can hear the pronunciation of the words. Go through the flashcards. I generally recommend you go from the Spanish to English rather than from English to Spanish for the pronunciation, so you can see that first. So you can hear the word first. And if you don't know what it means, just flip it over and you can see what the English meaning is. Vale, chicos, pues gracias y nos hablamos. Venga.